Hi, good evening everyone. I am Kyla Mayti Andiape from first year BA Ed, and I will discuss the Region 5 linguistic landscape. The Bicol region, designated as Region 5, is an administrative region of the Philippines. It comprises 6 provinces, 4 on Bicol Peninsula: Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, and Sorsogon, and 2 off the shore, Catanduanes and Masbate. The regional center is Legazpi, the most populous city in the region and has one independent component city, the Pilgrim City of Naga. The region is bounded by Lamon Bay to the north, the Philippine Sea to the east, and the Sibuyan Sea and Rigay Gulf to the west. The northernmost provinces, Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur, are bordered to the west by the province of Quezon in the Calabarzon region. Laing is another famous food for Bicol. It primarily involves simmered gabi leaves, coconut milk, aromatic and flavor enhancers like bagoong and alamang. Next is signs. A no parking sign is a prohibition message type of traffic restriction signs which is used for being mounted and visible around their bicycles and conveys the message no parking, which means parking is not allowed or prohibited. Next is Petron, a leading oil company in the Philippines, has a rich history dating back to 1993 when Socorro Vacuum Oil Company and Standard Oil Company. After World War II, Stanvac resumed operations in 1945 and constructed a refinery in Limay, Bataan. In 1962, ESO Philippines was established, introducing the country's first bottled LPG and high-octane gasoline. In 1973, Petropil Corporation was acquired by the Philippines National Oil Company, and in 1988, it was renamed Petron Corporation. Then the next one logo is Bicol Express, the one that's super famous dish on Bicol that has a coconut milk and pork, and also the pepper that giving a spicy on the dish, and also have a sign of Bicol Region Airport and the road sign. The next is geosemiotics. The geosemiotics design refers to the dimensions and arrangements of the visible features of roadways. This includes pavements, widths, horizontal and vertical alignment, slopes, channelizations, interactions, and other features that can significantly affect the operations, safety, and capacity of the roadway network. And also, in the last one slide is online landscape. The online landscape in the Philippines are total collections of hardware, software, and that interact with digital advertising. This includes email services, websites, computers, smartphones, videos, blog posts, and so on. And that's all. Thank you.